Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the version and environment because mismatches cause many failures. Once done, sign out of Teams and open Task Manager to kill all Teams-related processes so files aren't locked. Then clear the Teams cache folders in %appdata %Microsoft \Teams, cache, blob storage, databases to remove corrupt temp data. Make sure to close the app while you delete these. This prevents stale state from returning. After that, relaunch Teams and watch for immediate login or sync prompts. Now focus on reinstalling cleanly because leftover installers or mixed bitness break updates. First, uninstall both the Teams app and the machine-wide installer, then download the matching 64-bit or 32-bit installer and run it as administrator so service components register correctly. Next, inspect firewall and proxy settings, add Teams to allowed apps, and ensure necessary URLs and ports are open. If you're on managed devices, verify Intune or AD group policies aren't blocking executables or finish by addressing deeper causes. Flush DNS and restart the network adapter to clear stale routing or DNS entries, and test connectivity via a mobile hotspot to isolate local network issues. Then sign out and remove Teams credentials from Windows Credential Manager to force token refresh. Signing back and often resolves authentication loops. If problems persist, gather Teams logs from %appdata %Microsoft \Teams \logs, txt, and review timestamps for errors. Troubleshooting tip: create a new Windows user profile and test Teams there. If it works, the issue is profile specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.